Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging once again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your EON energy account. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened mine, you can see the Google Chrome, and on the search bar type in EON energy and .com, hit enter, and after that you will be landed on EON Energy's home page, and login option available on the top right corner of your screen. Again, click on the login, and after that you will be required to enter your email address or username over here and click on continue. And then after, you will be required to enter your password, and you will be logged on to or signed into EON Energy. Or you can just create an account from over here. Just click on create an account and your account will be created when you follow certain procedures. And there, guys, this is how you log into your EON Energy account. And if you have any confusions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below.